Man, there is some intense lightning going on outside right now. Like, just over the last few minutes, I've seen a lot of lightning strikes. Like really long lightning strikes too. Not even sure if, be able to see any, but there's been some pretty intense lightning strikes going on right around here. So yeah. Yeah, like right there. I've seen lightning strikes that were closer than that. Man. So it is currently about 10 minutes before 9 right now at night. And, yeah, this is quite I mean, it's not like non-stop lightning, it's just a big lightning strike every now and then. So, yeah. Whoa! Especially right there. Holy crap. Yeah, I've seen lightning strikes like that over the past few minutes. And I've just now noticed this too. I mean, I've noticed this like a few minutes before I started this recording anyways, but man, as I was, as I was, doing my practice runs in Gran Turismo 3, before, the next championship that I'm going to be doing, I noticed that it was lightning out, kind of. Well, I wasn't sure if it was lightning or not, but it was just mostly, like blink. At first, I thought it was very shining lights from a car or something, but it wasn't. So, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, this has been quite a... This has definitely been a thing that's been happening right now around here as far as, weather and stuff. So, yeah. Whoa! The thing about all this lightning is I'm not even hearing any thunder. And that's what's kind of confusing me right now. I'm seeing lightning, but I'm not hearing any thunder. Well, never mind. I just heard thunder right there. Whoa. This lightning is getting really close to where I am right now. And that's why I'm mainly recording this, because this is kind of a lightning show out here. And like I said, it's not non-stop lightning, it's just, lightning every, 30 seconds or so. But, yeah, getting some pretty amazing lightning strikes right here. And I hadn't even looked at the weather over the past few hours. So I have no idea what's going on right now. But, well, now I know what's going on because of this massive lightning. So yeah. And stuff. Whoa. Man. So yeah, about that. I'm not even sure how long I'm gonna make this video. I'm really don't know how much I'm gonna record this. All I know is that there's just a lot of massive lightning going on right now. So, And I don't even know if it's raining or not. And all I know is that it's lightning. Voice crack. Voice crack. Whoa. I don't even know where that one was. Might have been over in our backyard. It might have been past our backyard. I don't even know. I still have no idea why there's even cars traveling on the road right now. They should be. They should be getting to a place of safety right now. So, yeah. Don't really have anything else to talk about as far as, talking about random stuff. Wait a minute. I'm hearing rain. I'm hearing rain hitting my window right now. Whoa! Another thing that's kind of confusing is that the light outside my house keeps blinking. So I know for a fact that our light will need a new, or our front light needs a new light bulb because that keeps flashing and it's kind of throwing me off a little bit right now because I keep thinking it's lighting and it's not. Whoa. Jeez, man. Yeah. I always have a feeling that this storm might be severe. I don't know. I don't even know if there's any alerts on my phone. I didn't even look. I guess I can look right now. Okay, no, there's no alerts. Because if if there was an alert on my phone, that would let me know that we had a warning or something, but we don't. And also, in case you're wondering what I use WeatherBug. Because WeatherBug alerts me when there's warnings and stuff, so whoa. So yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Because there's just not much else to say. It's just, lightning and stuff. So, yeah, this has been Fab with the Barfy as usual, and yeah, see you guys later.